Meaning of emissary.
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 Emissary. An emissary is a person who is sent on a mission to represent someone else. The term is often used in politics, diplomacy, and business to describe someone who is sent to negotiate or communicate on behalf of their organization or government. An emissary may also be sent to deliver a message or to gather information. In general, an emissary is a trusted representative who is chosen for their ability to communicate effectively and to carry out their mission with discretion intact.